So how the background looks?
You're asking me to
No,
me.
no, I'm asking them if they can see.
To me, it looks heavenly. So Uganda is actually famous for its lakes. There are multiple lakes, but I think Lake Bunyani, where we are, is one of the best. So it's very uncommon. So if you're planning for some uncommon locations during your Uganda trip, then this is one of our recommendation.
Definitely, a must visit.
Must visit. So just relax here. So from if you're done with your gorilla trekking, and if you're done, mostly be done by 1 or 2 o'clock. So you can probably take 1.5 hours or 2 hours.
But we
drive.
don't take guarantee like you'll be completing
Yeah,
your
that's
gorilla trek
true.
in 1 or
But
2 hours.
mostly if you're done with then you can definitely, without staying at the gorilla trekking location, you can actually come to this location, which is 1.5 hours to 2 hours drive, and spend the evening just
Spend the
with
night.
spend the evening first with a cup of coffee or tea, enjoy this beauty, and then probably you guys can stay obviously
Book
for
any
the
of
night.
the resorts here, like they have incredible resorts here.
Yeah,
It's
so
beautiful around.
So just book a resort overlooking the lake and enjoy the evening with a cup
This
of
lake
tea.
is considered to be the second deepest lake
In
Africa.
Africa.
Yeah.
That's incredible, right?
This is beautiful, right?
Yeah. So this is known as Canyo. We'll be canoeing in Lake Bunyani.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
So I should sit where? There?
And me? I should sit here? Uh-huh. You are not coming with us?
Okay. No, he's not coming with us. And Pooja, as usual, is canoeing while I just keep on recording. So in the evening time, you can also go for canoeing on Lake Bunyani, and it's really relaxing while the sunset happens. While I'm just taking the video, Pooja is doing all the hard work. But Pooja, you're liking this?
Yeah, I like it.
This is more like kayaking actually, right?
Yeah, but only one stick.
Don't think this is not hard. This is hard, huh?
Tired?
So early morning, and we are on the top of Lake Bunyani viewpoint. So you can see the lake overall with a lot of islands in between. It's absolutely spectacular in the morning, and with this view. So on the way back from Lake Bunyani, around 3.5 hours drive, and on the way to Kampala, you guys can also stop by at Lake Emburu. So near the Lake Emburu, it's Emburu National Park, where normally not a lot of animals are there, but you'd find zebras, gazelles, and you can just stop by and probably take some pictures. So at times you'd find them crossing the roads.